You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. This week has turned out to be a real roller coaster for investors, and Friday promises to continue this trend, especially for risky assets, as Europe prepares for a stormy trading day. The catalyst for this market chaos was the ISM report on the U.S. manufacturing sector, which turned out to be weaker than expected, which raised widespread concerns about the economic outlook. This unexpected report quickly shattered the prevailing optimism, reinforced by hints from the Federal Reserve about a possible rate cut in September. Investor anxiety is growing due to the possibility that the Federal Reserve may be delayed in responding to economic signals, as a result of which traders expect a more significant rate cut than previously expected. Although the consensus had assumed a 25 basis point decline, the probability of a 50 basis point decline has now increased dramatically. These new concerns about growth have triggered a significant sell-off in stock markets. In contrast, traditional safe haven currencies such as the yen and the Swiss franc have shown solid growth as investors seek refuge from volatility. U.S. Treasury bond yields also fell to their lowest levels in recent months. With a relatively light economic calendar in Europe, attention is keenly focused on the upcoming U.S. non-farm payrolls report. Any significant deviation from expectations can accelerate the current risk reduction sentiment. Some economists surveyed forecast that 175,000 jobs were added in July, down from 206,000 in June. In addition, the unemployment rate is expected to remain at 4.1%. Meanwhile, in Asia, Japan's Nikkei 225 experienced its worst day in more than 4 years, influenced by the fall on Wall Street and the strengthening of the yen, which threatens to reduce the profits of exporters. And now to the crypto market. The sudden drop in the price of Bitcoin on short timeframes caused panic among traders, but this decrease may only be a correction. The liquidation of long positions on Bitcoin reached $300 million, with the price falling to $62,000. However, the correction of Bitcoin is not a complete surprise, as historical data show that the price of Bitcoin is prone to weak performance in August after a volatile July. Also, we note that the price could not quickly overcome the $63,000 to $62,000 zone, and moreover, after an aggressive attempt, the market is above this zone. The catalyst for volatility and renewed growth, or, nevertheless, overcoming the $62,000 level may be the publication of data in the United States, which the market expects later on Friday. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.